Thank you so much, Ricardo. Jean-Marie loved popping into the new Cocina Milonga in South City. With your delicious coffee, pastries, and empanadas, this is sure to be one of the best new hot spots in South San Francisco. Keep watching to learn more.
Oh my God.
So we do pastry cream, plain, guava, pistachio. We do some tarts. Also, all the cookies and all the little pastries are made by Alida, which is Raul's sister. She works out in this kitchen.
Yeah.
So we carry her products and she carry our products on her location in Houston. There is so many empanada makers in the Bay Area already, probably 6, 8 people making empanadas. But I can say the only company that makes the original, let's say, or traditional dough is us. Because we brought equipment, we spent a lot of money on it, but it was worth it. Because everything you buy, it comes from Argentina, may come from Argentina, but it's been frozen for how many months or whatever, and it's not the same. The quality of the dough we make is really good. And that's something that is set us apart from all the other banana makers. The newest, and he's working on the feelings. One is going to be a dough master.
The dough master.
The master, and Araceli help us forming, packing, molds, and she also helps Sylvia with the recipes.
And then you're selling to.
So yeah, we sell to different coffee shops. We sell to, there is a place in Castro Valley that buys our empanadas. The guy buys 1,600 empanadas a week from us. That's the best customer we have. Okay. But we also provide empanadas to wine bars. 2 wine bars, one in Cupertino, one in Los Gatos, or Woodstock wine bar. Cafe House in San Mateo. Pampas in Castro Valley, couple places in Napa Valley, place in Carmel Valley that carry on empanadas called Sangria. And little by little, we expanded, trying to.
Absolutely.
Because I live in Napa Valley, I live in Jammu. So I try to.
That's a long drive.
Yeah, I know.
It's beautiful up there.
It's
Beautiful.
So hopefully by summer next year, we're going to have another store in town.
Wonderful.
That's our second store project.
Wonderful.
And then from then on, we were hoping that somebody would come and say, you know what, I want to open one here, and I want to open one there. Project, so one of the projects that they do in Argentina a lot is eggplant, and it's called eggplant in escabeche. Escabeche is a preparation they do with garlic and vinegar, and they just, it's a jar thing, so just add that to sandwiches, and that's something that is really simple to make with the equipment we have, but we haven't done it just because we need a little more customers to pass on.
Okay.
There's also another Colombian sauce that we use, I'm from Colombia, that we use in our Colombian empanadas that are totally different from the Argentinian. Ours are always deep fried and always made out of corn.
Okay.
So we use what we call encurtido, which is vinegar, chilies, and green onions, salt and pepper. That's it. But it's really special.
Yeah.
So